Hi everybody, it's Annie. Just a really quick little video. I got some bags and I've covered them up from Rosa in her giveaway, and there was 2 packs of them and I was looking at them and I thought they were so pretty and I was trying to figure out what to do with them, and I just made an envelope out of it. And what I did was I just took one of them and I opened it completely up. I'm trying not to make a shadow, it's dark here. Let me just take one of them out here real quick. By the way, I love how these packages open. Because I'm going to mail this, the one I made out. So I wanted to show you guys what I did with it. And here's the bag. I don't know, you can't, the way my camera is, I had to move it because it's so shadows the other way. But anyway, it's just I didn't measure these, but they're not real big bags. But anyway, I just opened it all up at the seams, and I made a little, after I opened it up, I just put it all out flat. And where it's put together, I just made a little trim. Just a little tiny sliver off of it so I could open it up always. And there was a lot of paper in this after you open it up. And anyway, after I opened it up, there's enough paper that I just took an 8.5, 11, let me move this back where you can see it, an 8.5, 11 piece of cardstock, and I made this envelope out of it. And let me see if I can zoom out a little. No, wrong way. Maybe you can see it a little better. It's so shadows in here. But anyway, you fold. Here's the. I just. It was real simple. I didn't cut the paper down. As far as the sheet of cardstock, I didn't cut it down or anything. All I did was just. Now this is just a scrap piece of copy paper, but the cardstock was just plain white cardstock, same size. And all I did was I just folded it up to where I wanted it. It was something about like this, and just folded it, and just folded the top of it over. And anyway, I had my envelope, and so then I just covered it with my glue stick. I just put the paper on it and covered it, and then cut the paper off, and I had enough. I covered this, the flap, the inside of it here, and the outside of it, and I put it down with glue stick. But after I did that, I'm gonna open this up because it's hard to see this. It's hard to see the envelope against that flaherty thing. But after I did, I went around. I sewed it. Just for, a little more security as far as that went. And yeah, I sewed it all around. Then I just cut it's real hard to see, I cut a little thing right here. And like I said, the reason I want to just do a video real quick of this, because it's going out in the mail in the morning. And but anyway, Rosa, I loved it, and this is what I done with the bags. I just wanted to show those before I sent this out. And anyway, I'll speak to you guys soon. Thank you.